Understanding, lacking in intensity. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful intricacies of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that might sound a bit complex at first but is quite common in everyday English: lacking in intensity. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, how to use it, and see it in action through examples. Let's get started. Lacking in intensity is a phrase that combines two key words, lacking and intensity. To lack something means to be without it or to not have enough of it. Intensity refers to the strength, force, or degree of something. So, when we say something is lacking in intensity, we're saying it doesn't have enough strength, force, or degree of whatever quality we're discussing. It suggests a certain mildness or weakness in character, effort, or phenomenon. This phrase can be applied in a variety of contexts. Here are a few examples. Emotions. If someone's reaction is less passionate or weaker than expected, you might say their response was lacking in intensity. Physical efforts. In sports or exercise, if a performance is not as strong or vigorous as anticipated, it could be described as lacking in intensity. Sensory experiences. Describing food, music, color, or any sensory experience as lacking in intensity means it doesn't stimulate the senses as much as one might hope. It's important to use this phrase to accurately convey observations or criticisms in a manner that is constructive and clear. To further clarify, let's look at some sentences. Despite the hype, the flavor of the dish was lacking in intensity. The team's performance tonight was lacking in intensity, leading to their defeat. His apology seemed lacking in intensity, making it hard to believe he was truly remorseful. These examples show how the phrase can be used to express a shortfall in expectation across different scenarios. And there you have it. Lacking in intensity is a versatile phrase that helps articulate a shortfall in the strength or degree of an action, emotion, or sensation. We hope this video has shed light on how to use it effectively in your conversations and writing. Remember, English is a rich language full of nuances, and understanding phrases like this one adds depth to your communication skills. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating English phrases with you in future videos.